What's up guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day number 7. Damn, it's day number 7. It's gonna be a good day just because the day is 7. I just got ready to go to church right now. It is currently 12:33 and I'm low-key debating if I should change my outfit right now. Y'all tell me in the comments down below if this is a good fit or not, because to be honest I feel like I'm not really feeling it, but then at the same time I'm like, it does feel like cozy and comfortable, but I don't know. I feel like the only thing that I don't like about it kind of gives it like 2017 cool. I don't know, but I might change it to another jacket that I have that's more of like a green type of aesthetic, because, well, actually the colors match. I feel like the colors match, so the colors go together, but I'm just like, I don't know about the length of the freaking hoodie. I don't know why this like reaches down all the way down here, but I think I'm just gonna have to go with it because this is the only gray hoodie that I have. Unless I use like a zip up one, because either way at church I'm gonna be like this. I'm not gonna be wearing my hood. Let me actually try the zip up one that I have, but then would that look weird? I don't care, I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, I changed it to this one. I feel like, I don't know, something about a hoodie and a denim jacket just gives 2017 core, but I'm just gonna go with it because it feels nice, it feels comfortable, and also like the hood kind of makes it feel like I'm not looking at you core. But either way I'm still gonna put my hood down at church, because why am I gonna have a hood down at church, you know what I mean? So this is the fit. I don't know if y'all could see it, but oh, he made her. Nah, but this is a fit, and I feel like I also like it. I really don't know if y'all could see me, and I don't know if this is a weird angle, but I also like it because since it is a zip up, I could easily just go like, and it turns into a completely different fit. It's more chill, it's more casual, and it's also less hot because I am gonna be wearing 2 jackets. In my room it is pretty like toasty, but outside it's like, what, like 51 degrees outside, so I think así lo voy a dejar because either way I'm running out of time. It's 12:48 right now and we need to leave like 10 minutes ago, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Oh my god, dude, that got me out of breath. What the I'm gonna go check my outfit for the last time and then I'm gonna dip. Where's my wallet? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is currently 5:39 right now. It's basically like 5:40 and I literally forgot to clean up my space after I went to church. Basically we went to church, we got some fast food, we ate it up in the living room, we watched Bloodsport, and now I'm just here and I'm gonna clean up my bedroom because this is literally like unacceptable. It looks dirty and it makes me mad because I'm like, I could have just cleaned this up before I left, but I'm just like, pues ya estoy aquí, like I could just fix it. But yeah, hopefully I won't take too long because I'm not trying to be like folding and stuff. I'm pretty full because I did like eat a lot, low-key. I just want to lay down type beat. Oh, also I finished my finals. I'm basically out of school already. I'm officially on winter break as well, so I'm pretty free right now. The present situation is supposed to be fixed before the 20th. I have a package delivered tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow getting the package and wrapping up the presents. I'm actually gonna check an item because an item hasn't came to me and I'm missing that one item, and I'm just trying to wrap presents already because I don't want to be wrapping presents like later on. Christmas is indeed fact less than 2 weeks and I'm pretty excited. I feel like this December was really fun. It's not even finished yet, we're like halfway there. I do want to see if I could get like some more things for my siblings and my mom. I just don't know what to get them because I got basically everyone like one item that's pretty good, but I'm kind of like, I want to add something to theirs. So either way I do want to exchange my sweatpants, so tomorrow we're probably gonna go to the stores and right there puedo aprovechar and see if I could get anything else. But yeah, let me freaking clean up my bedroom because this is just ugly to look at. What's up guys, welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. I decided to just blend in 2 days of the vlog into one video because I was editing last night and I was like, why is this video so short? And I swore I was like vlogging all day, but I guess I didn't have enough clips, so I'm just gonna make 2 days into one video. So hope you guys are chill with that. Currently I'm gonna be going to Costco with my mom. I'm gonna go acompañarla because she needs me to carry some heavy lifting. Me and my dad usually always do the carry lifting, so I'm gonna do that. And also I am finally gonna be returning the pants that were my dream pants. Well, they still are, but I need to just size them down. And since we're already gonna be going to Costco, the Nike store that I'm gonna return these to are relatively like close to there, so I'm gonna do that. It is currently, what time is it? It's 12:53 p.m, so it's the afternoon. I just went outside to film like 2 shots and it's pretty chilly vibes. It's cold, but it's not freezing, but it is cold, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna wear something light but heavy. I was thinking of like a hoodie vibe because yesterday I wore a hoodie and I was comfortable the whole day like that. Actually, I think I might wear the hoodie that I was supposed to wear yesterday for church, but I ended up leaving it because I thought like it looked too wango. So I also have this gray one too, so I'm gonna try on that one first and see como me queda and see if I like the colors together, because I think I'm gonna wear a Dickies jacket today. Because why not? You know, I haven't worn that Dickies jacket since like the beginning of December. What is this doing here? And boom, 10 minutes later, I'm done. I got the fit on. I'm low-key proud of it. I feel like I've been having a good run with my outfits recently, and I'm like, damn, like, why am I a fashion icon right now? I imagine I'm like all freaking copy and paste. This is the fit. Do I look like a hobo?
No, but are you wearing the same thing as yours?
No. This is a different jacket. Wow. But yeah, this is a fit. I'm wearing my Dickies jacket, this gray hoodie that I was supposed to wear yesterday, but I'm gonna wear it today because I feel like it just matches the weather outside too. I'm wearing my black Nikes just to make myself taller because low-key I'm a short king as fuck, you know what I mean? I don't know, I kind of like it. I like when my fits are pretty simple but they're still comfortable and cozy, but they kind of look nice. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people might be like, this is too baggy, this doesn't fit nice, but I like it. I feel comfortable with it and I'm not freezing to death. So now let me put on the accessories. I'm gonna go with my simple pair of rings that I always love to wear. These are my favorite rings at the moment. I do have a gold one that I really like, but I feel like today it just gives gray colors, silver vibes aesthetic, so I'm gonna go with that. I mean, you could barely see it, but it adds like some shine to it. Pero tampoco I'm not trying to be like all lucido, so I think this is fine. I would normally go for my Tom Ford ombre leather for this outfit, but I think I'm gonna switch it up today because I forgot that I had this sample from Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male perfume. Oh, this one is actually like pretty warm vibes, but you can still smell it. It smells like pretty sweet low-key too. This is nice. I don't know why I haven't bought like a full bottle of this. I still have some left, which I'll just leave over for another day. This is pretty pungent low-key. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my AirPods with me and my chapstick, porque never faltará el freaking chapstick. And yeah, I'm ready. Oh, you have a pimple in this, okay?
Stop.
I forgot to film the outro. Please like my video. I'm on this vlog right here, guys. It is currently, what time is it?
12:36.
Yeah, so good night, the secret.
Stop.